Good day, everyone. Please, you're welcome to k7o Digital Consult. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create whiteboard animations using a particular mobile software or application. Please, without wasting much time, let's enter into the tutorial. Now, open your Play Store. Open your Play Store. This one. Open it like this, and search for the name app like this. The name app. It will come. The name app. It will come like this. The name whiteboard animation. This one. Click on it and search. It has come. The name AI whiteboard maker. Because me, I already have it on my phone. That is why it you see it open. But you don't have it. It will say install. Then click on install and install it. Then what after install it, open it. But me, I'll use my screen on. Let me go back and use my screen on because I have already installed it. Like this. The name app. Here is it on my phone. I'll open it. Wait for it to launch. Now, these are my project. Because I have been doing it and I have project on it. But because you are the first creator, you don't have any project on it. You know your interface may not look like this. It will be different from mine. So these are what I already create. The whiteboard I already create with this application. But now this is not our aim. Our aim is to learn how to create. Now come to this plus symbol, create project. Now they say project name. Project name. Here, enter your project name. Let me say math 770. Math 770. Don't leave any space in between. If you leave any space in between, it will tell you that the project name does not exist or there is space in between. So don't, even if you use two names, but let it be joined together. Don't leave any space in between. So now click on create project. On this application, there are two types of creating a whiteboard animation. We have the manual creation and the AI creation. The manual creation is by you typing the message and bringing in your images. But the AI creation is where you just put in your title head, and the AI will just generate everything, all the sketches and the write type and the voiceover. You will not do anything. You just write yours. Maybe you have the script, just bring it and it will generate it fully for you, or you will just type the title and it will do everything for you. But in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you both the manual and the AI. So first of all, let's take the manual before the AI. Now the manual, when you open the app, the interface, it will be like this. After entering your distance, your title name, your project name, it will be like this. So this one, the first one, the element, I go back. The element, that one is when you want to pick and import your sketches or your images. You click on element like this. And come to image like this. It will send you to your gallery to pick your images and import it. Now go back. And the text too, when you want to type your text, you click on the text, and then the text interface or text bar will come, and then you type your text. And then the AI image, means that maybe you want the AI to generate the image that or the sketches that you are going to import. You click on it and the AI will generate it. And then we have the music symbol tool. The music symbol tool is maybe if you finish your whiteboard animation but you want to add a background music, then you click on music and to send you to your, click on like this on the music symbol, come to like this. If you want to record a voiceover, click on record, and if you want to add music, click on music like this. It will send you to where you know where you kept your music in your device. So just go there and pick one of your music and it will be generated as background music. So let's come back. This image, the BG, it means you want the background to be an image, not a whiteboard. You can just or you want it to be an image or color. If you want image, select image. If you want color, select color, and then just make your background. Then when we come to this hand tool, there are plenty hands. You see them, there are plenty hands. So this hand means you want this hand to be doing the writing, and just select any hand that you want to be doing the writing. That's the meaning of the hand. And then now if you want to start the whiteboard animation, the writing and then importing of the images, now you see this triangular box naming 1. So you click on that. This space here is the 1. So now first, my story goes like this. It's about a man that feel lonely, a lonely man looking for love, and that is a story. So let me start writing this in the story. I'll click because it is a message or it's a text. I'll click on what text and write what I wanted to write. They say type what we want to insert. Now I'll type it. Coffee like this. Coffee Coffee want a woman. Coffee want a woman to marry. Coffee want a woman to marry like this. That's the first slide, and click on what? Insert. When I click on insert, I can position the text any way I want. When you just click on the text and shift to any position that you want. Now I have finished writing what Kofi want a woman to marry. Now I have to bring a sketch that will describe Kofi needing a woman to marry. Now I'll now go back to my element like this and select image here. Now you make sure that you have prepared the images already. Now I'll go and bring Kofi sitting lonely looking for what? A woman. And bring it. This is the image, so I'll position it here like this. That is it. Now and go back. This is the first slide. It has gone. Now I'll click on the plus symbol like this for the second slide to come. Let's even go back to the first slide like this. Now I don't want the background to be plain white like this. I want to change what? The background. Now I'll come to this one, the BG here, and select color. So that place I want this color to depict there. So I'll select that color and come select like this. You see, as I selected the color, you see how it is. Now come to a plus symbol and the second slide will come. Then I don't want this background color. I'll click on BG, that is background, and change different color. Now I want a blue color. Select. Now I'll now write what I want the text. Like I'll say Kofi met Kofi met Esther. Kofi met Esther. No, not this. Not. I'll not even use Esther. Kofi met Jennifer. Jennifer, and they agree. No, and they agreed. They agreed and married. Agreed and married. They agreed and married. You see, and then click on what? Insert, and now position it the way I want. Position it. So now I'm talking about Kofi meeting Jennifer, and they becoming a what? Married people. So I'll now bring image that talks about what? Kofi marrying a woman and they are together. So I'll also come back and choose what? Element. Go to image and select the image that talks about what? Kofi marrying a woman. And position it this way. Now I want the hand, a specific hand, to be doing the writing. So I'll not come to what? Hand, like this, and select. I want this hand, select it. So let me play and you see. You see, Kofi want a woman to marry. You see, Kofi met Jennifer and they agreed and married. Kofi met, you see, that is this first and second slide. Now my story has not yet finished. I'll still continue with the what? The story. Then I'll click on what? The plus symbol, like this, the plus sign. And then what? I don't want this background color, or click on background, BG, select color. I want this color. Don't select. And continue with what? My text, like this. So Kofi and Jennifer gave birth to 3 children, like this. And insert. Now position my text well so that I can bring the sketch. So I'm talking about Kofi and Jennifer giving birth to 3 children. So I'll now bring the sketch that talks about that, describe Kofi and Jennifer giving birth to 3 children and making it what? A family. Now I'll come to elements and go to images. So, and import that image where they are what? In family. You see, so I'll position it the way I want. Now I have finished with that slide. Now my story continues. I'll click on the plus sign, and then give me another slide. That is the 4th slide. Then I don't want the color again. I'll click on BG to select color and change different color. Right? And click on text to text what I want to insert. Now they gave birth to 3 children. The children are there. I'm going to list the children. There are what? Ama the toddler. Ama the toddler. Insert. Now I'm talking about Ama the toddler. I'll bring a sketch that is Ama's picture. Then I'll go to what? Element, image, and bring Ama the toddler and position it like this. Now my story continues. Plus sign again and change the background color. Then I'll bring another child, that is Emmanuel. Emmanuel, the first son. So I will insert it and go and bring the image that describe Emmanuel, the first son. So I'll go to what element and select image. It's here. Then position it. Go back. My story continues. I click on the plus sign and change my background color. I don't want plain. I want different color. Select. Then text, another child, and the baby. So I'll now insert and bring the image that describes the baby. I'll go to element, select image, bring what? The baby. Because it is a demonstration, because I didn't plan to do any story, but I just want to demonstrate how you can create. So now my story continues. I'll click on the plus symbol and change my background color. Now with this, select. So my text, Kofi after marrying Jennifer, he was become he became a king. It talks about Kofi became a king. So I'll now insert it and bring a sketch that describe Kofi being a king. So I'll go to element, go to image, and bring the picture that describe Kofi being a king. You see, that is just it. It's not anything difficult. Now my story continues, but I just want to stop here for the sake of this tutorial. I don't want it, the video to be too long, so I'll just stop here. And then what? Now I have finished. If I want to do what? If I want to save it, to my device, I'll now come and click here, this save symbol here, and then save. They say what? Project. They say project save. But this project save, it does not mean that it's going to your device. It does not go to your device. It is saving on the what? The application. Now if you want to go to your device, you click on this sharing symbol, the sharing symbol here, like this. Then they say make movie, then it will come. Now movie name, then you now enter what? Movie name. So I'll name it Kofi. As I told you, don't leave any space in between. Other than that, it will not depict. So now click on what? Make movie, like this. They say what? Rendering movie in progress. Please do not close the application. Now you wait until what? The movie is rendered. I'm waiting. So as we are waiting, let's start with the AI creation. Now the AI tool, that one, because it is AI and it needs subscription, and in this case they normally allow you to buy credit. When you buy credit, then you now use the credit to generate the animations. and the credit you can use your mobile money to buy. But me, I prefer the manual one because that one there's no cost. It is totally free. The only thing is to go to your chat GPT or any AI tool that can generate your images for you. So you now come and do your write up and insert. Now they say what movie save it. What would you like to do? Now play movie or what share movie. If you want to share movie, you can click on share and share it to your different what handles. Or if you want to play it, you just click on what play and play. But me, I don't want to do anything. I'll leave it this way. So let's go and also see how the AI section 2 is being done. Now I'll go back like this. Now I have these are all I did about what the AI. So let me pick one so that you see how I did it. This one, not even this one. Let me go back and pick this one. So I just created with the AI section, but let me show you how to do it. Now for the AI, after opening the Benin app, click on what they create new project like this and come. They say project name, enter your project name like this, math like this. No, don't leave any space. Now after entering, then they will not tell you create with AI or create project. If you create project, you are creating it manually, but if you select create with AI, you are creating with what AI. Let me create with what AI like this. This is a project with the same name. It means that I have already used math as a project name, so let me change another name. Let me say math 22 and then create with AI. And you see they are telling me that create from script. Maybe it means that I have I already have a script from somewhere that I want to paste for them to use that script to create the animation for me, or I want to give them a title so that they will look for the script and the images to create it in line with the story I want. But in this case, I will only give them what the title for them to just use their own image creation and tools, their voiceover, everything, and their write up to do for me. Just I will not do anything. I'll just write the title about what I want. And in this case, you need what a credit. So and they are saying what note each image costs approximately 2.6 credit. So if they are going to create an image for you, it will cost them what 2.6 credit. It will cost you 2.6 credit for them to generate that image for you. So in this case, you need to buy what the image. And if you want to buy the image, well, I bought 50 images. No, I bought 50 credit, and I'm been using it and I left with 2.3 credit. This one I cannot use to generate any video again. But I'll just go and pick my old what my project that they created for me. Let's go back and I'll show you. Now this one I only type. Let me even go project math 22 like this. So if I wanted to create with AI, I'll just come. I don't have a script, but I'll have a title. I'll just write what digestive system like this, and click on what generate project here. Generate. They say what error insufficient credit, please recharge. Now I don't want to recharge, but I have already done something like that. My credit is insufficient, and for the sake of my security, my account security, I wouldn't like to show my account detail. Like I will just go and buy credit and do what and demonstrate. But I just type digestive system and it has generated the video for me. Let me go and play the video, then you see. In my project, one is here. You see.
Imagine your body as a sophisticated factory, and food is the raw material. The digestive system is the incredible assembly line that breaks down everything you eat, transforming it into the energy and nutrients you need to thrive. The journey begins in your mouth, where chewing starts the mechanical breakdown. Then, like a water slide, food travels down to your stomach, where powerful acids and enzymes further dissolve it into a thick, soupy mixture.
Also a health worker, you can just
Next, this soupy mix enters the small intestine, a long, winding tube where the real magic happens. Here, tiny finger-like structures called villi act like sponges, absorbing almost all the valuable nutrients directly into your bloodstream. Finally, any remaining undigested material moves into the large intestine. Its main job is to reabsorb water and electrolytes, transforming the watery waste into solid stool before it's ready to leave the body.
You see, then it has finished. I have done them plenty using what? The AI section. There's another one here. That one, it talks about my course. Or let me play it.
Welcome to Matt Smartphone IT Training Center, where we believe in empowering you with the skills to navigate and thrive in the digital world. Imagine turning your ideas into engaging visual stories or building the next big mobile application. Ever dreamed of creating captivating visuals? Our courses range from whiteboard and 3D animations to graphics design, helping you bring imagination to life with tools like Pixel Lab and Canva. Beyond creativity, we teach you how to build the very foundations of the digital world. Learn mobile app development, website creation, and even how to publish your app on the Play Store. Do you want to turn your online presence into a source of income? We'll show you how with Blogger account creation, monetization strategies, video editing, and crafting compelling video adverts.
Your credit.
From dynamic text animations and impactful video adverts to creating professional YouTube intros and outros, we equip you with.
Now, if you don't want, if you want only the writing animations, the only writing whiteboard animation without the images, you just type in your story without importing what? The images. There's one I did like that. Let me play that one too, and you see. Here is it. That is it about the what? The AI. So you just do like this, and then let me tell you the importance of what? The whiteboard animation. You can use whiteboard animation to describe your product. Maybe you are selling some product, but you don't know how people will get it. You just get the pictures of those products and come and write it. And you just write the name of the product and import that image. Come and put it. After do that, it does not have any limit. You can do that to what? 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and you just be describing. You bring your product and write the name. So after finishing and saving it, you see that it will just display everything correctly for you. And if people see like that, it normally attract what? Buyers. And also, if you have any story like African photos, if you are someone who is doing that, you can use this to do that one too. And it, like the teachers too, you can use to explain your teaching plan. You can use to explain your students. You just bring a topic and give it to the AI, and it will just generate that for you to explain it to your students. It can even do, there's nothing it can do. Any video you want, it will create. So please, if you find this video useful, don't forget to click on the notification bell and subscribe for me for any update anytime I post any tutorial, so that you get in touch with it. Thank you. So please don't forget to subscribe for me. Do me a favor. Thank you.